Exceptional is the only word that comes to mind when I describe this beautiful, first time ever offered Northwood subdivision, custom home at 1910 Mosaic Trail. It was one of the last homes built in Northwoods, and it has all the features, whether it's the custom woodwork, the dynamic open floor plan, totally renovated master bath. Outside you have a large outdoor living space nestled up beside a beautiful pool, heavily landscaped. Guys, this is a beauty. It even has its own home fitness center. Come on inside and let's take a look. From the second you enter this all brick, 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath home, you are met with the perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and functionality. The foyer provides ample space to welcome guests with beautiful hardwood floors through the main living areas. Your study is tucked away towards the front for privacy. Your dining room offers ample space for entertaining and connects through the butler's pantry to the kitchen with a large island, gas cooktop with brick backsplash, plenty of cabinets, stainless appliances, and a walk-in pantry. The kitchen is open to your spacious living room with coffered ceilings, built-ins, and gas fireplace with stone accents. The indoor living area overlooks your covered patio with gas fireplace, outdoor kitchen, and bar area, leading you to your fenced backyard with lush landscaping and an in-ground gunite pool. Also overlooking the pool is your large main level primary suite, also with hardwoods, and a beautifully renovated primary bath with double vanities, huge tile shower, a separate soaking tub, and you'll love the closet with the custom built-ins. Upstairs, we have 4 additional large bedrooms, 2 more full baths, and a large bonus room over your 3-car garage and home fitness center. Hey, I want to thank you for taking a tour of 1910 Mosaic Trail. It's a beauty. Can you imagine sitting out here in this majestic setting? Guys, this home has it all. It's custom built, has all the amenities, 4,700 square feet. Just to build a home like this today with everything this home has would be over $1.5 million. If you have any questions, give us a call, 615-867-3020.